10 deer came and ate a lot of my apple tree, which were young, which is quite a shame when you take care of something for 3 years and I already lost one fruit plantation destroyed by the bear and the cubs because you can't shoot the animals. So I just have to suffer and let it be. I can just watch and make another fence and another fence and another fence. Can't get more refreshing. Can't get more healthy. This is the best. This is life on earth. It was quite rainy yesterday. That's why you can see there's foam from the leaves, from the ingredients of the forest. And look, just in few days everything changed. The leaves totally disappeared. This is my favorite place on the earth, so to say. Why? Because you have to climb there just to come down, and there you can fall for more than 30 meters. The other underneath is not so beautiful and not so dangerous. It's easy accessible, but this one is quite treacherous. But it's really, really beautiful. All for today. Till next time. Bye bye.